what that is, okay? Just in case you didn't know, you're on the plate. Spot on.
Every time.
This is Brian Bass's LML right here. Compound turbo. It's got a fleece cheat on the valley, 475 outside here, 10mm stroker pump with some 45 over injectors. So it's a rowdy, fun truck. Anyway, we got Brian back in here. We're at like 4,000 miles on the build. We're just kind of doing some touching up on some small things around it, touching up a few things that you find little things going on when you put 4,000 miles on. So like little clamps, just going through, tightening everything up, doing a service, make sure it's all good to go. While I was here, we upgraded Brian's air deflector dramatically. This bad boy right here. Now, in the long run, it's going to be all M&M orange. We're going to do it all this color. We didn't have it here, so Brian needs his truck back. We just got it done for him. I'm not going to make a full removal and install video. I'm not going to lie to you, this is not rocket science. On these guys, there's 2 plugs here that are no longer here, 2 here, and then 3 up here. Pop all of those out, put the new one on. We do try to always, because we understand that we're going from plastic to aluminum when we do this, we try to bolt them in. So up front, you're going to get some hardware, a 7/16 quarter-inch bolt, it's a 7/16 head. Right here with the washer, you're going to tighten it up right there, and you're going to get some new push tabs up top here, 1, 2, 3. That's as simple as it gets, guys. It looks absolutely stellar. It's going to be available in our standard 10 colors, including M&M orange for the Chevy guys. If you're not an orange fan and you're a Chevy guy, I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm not going to lie. It's like being a Ford guy and not liking Ford blue. Like, or being a Hemi guy and not liking, I think it's Challenger purple. That's their color, right?
I thought it was green.
Maybe it's green. I don't know. We know Ford goes with blue, Chevy goes with orange, so we're going to make sure we have the M&M orange for these. And when we get that done, we'll showcase that to you guys as well. These will work for all 99 to 07 truck-based Chevy products. So that's Chevy NGM, Tahoe, Suburban, 1500, 2500, 3500. We have test fit it. It's going to bolt right up and work on all of those. So if you got a Tahoe that's got a badass LS in there, put this bad boy on, make it look nice. Okay? If you got yourself a Suburban that mama's got 40 inches of lift and 40-inch rock crawlers on it, put this bad boy on here, make it look good. A lot of horsepower. This right here is 150 horsepower guaranteed. No, it's not a performance gain, but it's something that we started doing with the 6.0s, and now we're just going to keep doing it for all makes and models of trucks that we can do it on. Some trucks don't even have them. We're going to pick it up, we're going to redesign it, and we're going to make them for those trucks, including the 11 to 16 6.7s. And the 6.4s, they have a really small little one, so we're going to redesign it and make it up and make it work on those. These are available on the website for purchase. It's not rocket science to install it. I'm going to call this a 6-pack install just because you're going to drink a beer while you're doing it. So, yep, I don't know what else to say. Just trying to have a little fun. We're going to go out and test drive this truck now. Get it back to Brian because he wants it back. He keeps calling me and I don't blame him. Thanks for letting us. Just so you guys know, if we ever use your truck in our shop to develop one of these, you get it for free. Reach out. That doesn't mean everybody gets one for free. That means the one that we use and we steal your truck for a week, you get it for free. Give us a call if you have an LML, LMM, a 19 plus 5th gen. I really want to do one of those. I got to have the truck for more than a couple days, and that's been hard so far, which I get it. You guys have to drive your truck. So if you have a 19, if you have a 5th gen and you can give it to us for a few weeks, reach out to us. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for the follows. Be sure to click like, subscribe. Give us a call with any questions, 1-800-577-2698. We got all the YouTube, we got the Facebook, we got the Instagram, we got the TikTok, the LinkedIn, the Twitter, the Threads. I'm sure you'll find us somewhere.
All of them.
Okay? Thanks so much for everything, guys. Have a blessed day.